Running a business requires managing multiple functions such as sales, marketing, finance, HR, inventory, and more. Juggling separate rules for each function can lead to inefficiencies, a lot of time, and missed opportunities, obviously. So, what if there was a way to unify all these processes into one seamless platform? Now, there's a one platform which is called Zoho One, the ultimate all in one ERP solution designed to streamline your business operation. So in this depth tutorial, we will walk you through how to use Zoho One to manage each aspect of your business very efficiently. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up Zoho One, integrate its app, automate workflows, and leverage analytics to drive better decisions. So before we get started, let's break down what makes Zoho One stand out. According to them, Zoho One is an all-in-one platform resources planning ERP platform that offers up to 40 integrated platforms, which is really good, as well as the application. So they have CRM, they have sales, they have finance and accounting such as Zoho Books, Zoho Payroll, Zoho People, Zoho Recruit, Zoho Projects, Zoho Sprints, and there's a lot of applications, a lot of apps for each different industries. For example, if I just go to marketing, so as you can see here, there's a one of them. Then in the services, they are also available in the HR, they're in the operations, as well as in the e-commerce, right? Sites, commerce, speed sense. So there's a lot of application, and we will go one by one. So no need to worry. And they are integrated with the cloud. They are seamlessly integrated with between apps and real-time data flow between mobile application, between different simultaneously device, AI-powered insights to predict trend and recommend actions. So to get started, let's go to the pricing first of all, because obviously no matter how good the product is, if the pricing is not better, obviously no will choose. Now the pricing could be differ if you're just visiting their website from a different country, because I'm visiting from India. And here you can see, obviously, by the way, Zoho is an Indian brand and it's very popular all over the world. Right, so here, as you can see here, all employees pricing here and flexible user pricing. So if I just go and choose monthly, the price increase a little bit, right? So you can choose and try any one of them. You can just go to this website or pause this video and you will see a lot of features. So I will not waste your time. Let's go back to Zoho One here. And obviously I want to get started for free, right? And so to get started with free, here you can see you can use email or just Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. Then you have to select your country. Let's select our state here, the time zone, and click on update, or you can skip this out. Now let's go and click on access my account. Now in the access here, you will see on the left side there's the applications. Here you will find a hell lot of application for each and everything, right? So for example, there are CRM, books, mail, and there's a lot of type. For the sales, they have CRM, Begin. I never heard of this, but okay, simple CRM for small businesses. Okay, there's a form, sales, booking, and there's a lot of things. For example, if I just go to the commerce and POS, as you can see, a lot of available even for IoT. Let's go and choose here CRM first of all. Now inside Zoho CRM, you can see here your great Indian growth story, right? In your country, it might be something written something else, but no worries. Here you have to just enter your details. I will use a Google ID just to access Zoho CRM. Then you have to enter your company name, right? Your phone number and click on employee count, right? So I will just write here employee count and the phone number and click on get started. Now it's loading and we are using Zoho CRM. So by the way, here you can see you can invite your team, you can configure your deals pipeline, connect your email account. So there's a lot of things. I can invite my team later, but I want to skip this right now, right? Animation is pretty smooth for now. Now, as you can see here, this is a dashboard, all my open orders. This is a dashboard. So it will just give me a basic overview of all my information. Here all my leads will show up here. If I want to import some of this information, I have that capability. I mean, Zoho CRM has that capability to import from different. For example, I went to the leads and here you can see import leads. So I can just import my leads as well as I can import from wherever I am just getting my leads. So here I can upload CSV file or XLS SX file here, right? Okay, let me close this and then I will just go and click on next and I will able to import. So there's a limitations to upload here. Now as you can see here, this is just an example right now, right? So for example, this is one of the lead, and here on the left side I can filter those leads. If I just go and click on here all locked leads, so it will show me the all locked leads here, right? So I didn't log anyway, so this is all leads. For example, I want to view this one, I can just go and click on view, and as you can see here I can access all this information, right? By the way, this is just a sample, I'm not revealing some of this private information here. This is notes, you can just write here notes here. This is cadences, right? No records of the cadences, but I can just go and click on add attachments, and there's a lot of things: emails, campaign, social, open activity, close activity, and there's a lot of things. I can just go and click on send email. For example, this lead got converted, so I will just create a new deal for this. So for example, this deal got for here whatever the x amount here, the deal name, right? And I will just go and click on convert. Okay, I have to select a date and click on convert, so this lead get converted, right? So this is really nice, and here I can just then go to and filter it out. I can filter it out from the company name, I can filter it out from city, and there's a lot of information, right? So it's really difficult to explain all this stuff in just a single 10 to 20 minutes long video. But yeah, if you just want to know, you can just go and explore by yourself, or let me know in the comment box. I will make a separate video for you guys. Now on the top right side corner, you can see I can delete all the lead at once. That is a must lead. I can update it up, right? And this is Zoho Sheet view. So for example, if I just go and click on here, right, so it will show up in Zoho Sheets. So that is a completely different application, you can say, here from Zoho side, right? So pretty good. I mean, Zoho have a lot of application that you don't need to go to a different application, right? So for example, I don't need to go to Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. I can just easily use Zoho Sheets. So that is really nice. Now here, let's go to the contacts here. Contact is pretty similar, as you can see here. I can view this up if I just go and click on here, right? And same information, right? Obviously, it was a lead. For example, let me just open this one here. Every information has been added. I can create a contract, I can update it, same information, I can filter it out from the left side. This is account section, right? So all these accounts are shown here, right? I'm the account owner, and this is the deal section. So as you can see here, all the deals which is done from the leads which got converted, as you can see here, I just converted this out, and this is what's showing, right? I hope you remember the amount and the date. That is a 22, the day I'm recording this video, right? And this is a task sheet, and this is similar to Kanban board. For example, this work has been transferred to the deferred, or let's say it has been completed, so I can move it to here, click on mark as a completed. So as you can see here, the completed here, and this is really nice. If I just go and click on it, I can view this up, I can click on it, and I can put action button, right? So there's a lot of option that is really nice. Now this is a meeting. I hope you already know what it is, a meeting. You can set up a meeting with anyone here, with the, especially with the contacts, whatever contacts you have. On the top right, go to meeting, select your date and time, the host, participant, the link, and everything. So you don't need to go to Zoom, or you can say here Google Meets. You can just use here CRM webinar, which is really nice. That is another product of Zoho. So Zoho gives you a hell lot of products where you don't need to move to any else application, and everything is integrated so seamlessly, as you can see here. This is really nice. I will just go and click on cancel here. You can also do calls, right? And here I can just go and click on create calls here, schedule a call, log a call. So for example, I want to log a call here, right? I can enter this amount information and just go and click on save. Right now, this is the reports. Obviously, everything what is happening, the lead conversions, whether it's got converted or not, it will, every information will be shown here in the report section. I can just go and view them. And I, for example, if any one of the deal report here, I can just go and click on deal reports. It will show me here. Click on today's sales, and it will show me all the sales which is done by the today. Obviously, somebody have to input the data, which will be from my team, or I guess I will be me, right? So it's completely up to you how many people are working in your team. This is, you can say, your services. So build a catalog of your services inside Zoho CRM. So you can do here. So for example, if I just go and click on enable CRM, to use services module, you need to configure business hours of your organization. Okay. Now this is a project. Now project is, you can integrate Zoho projects to create an associate project in Zoho CRM. Stay on top of your task milestone. Okay, this is similar, like you can say, a project management tool, which is pretty good because it's already seamlessly integrated into the Zoho, and it is really nice. So here it says the portal configurations. I create a new portal, or I can just go and use already Zoho portal with a different email ID if I have one, right? And I can create and I can integrate from all these marketplaces. Now if I just go back, right, let's say I just want to go back here and I want to go to this Zoho CRM. So there's obviously a lot of application. This is Zoho CRM. I can just go to the Zoho Books, Zoho Try Now. So you just need one ID and obviously you will able to access everything, right? Now this is a Zoho Books. This is for the accounting people and who just want to keep a record of each and everything of this transaction, right? So I can just go and click on start free trial, right? I can use the same email ID. For example, I'm using the same Google ID which I used to make a Zoho One account. So Zoho Books, the finance and accounting module with the Zoho One, here's how you can use it. You can obviously you have to enter your organization name. So I will just write here, Filex Express just for short here. Select my country, click on get started, fill up all this information and then just go and click on get started. Okay, so here you can navigate to the invoices sections and you can create your own invoices. So don't get intimidated by the dashboard. It's pretty similar, just like any other books applications here. On the left side, you can see this is item section, right? You can just go and click on new item, right? Same way you have to just enter all this information, right? This is a banking section. You can connect bank, credit cards, add manually and all this information. This is a sales. So if I just go and click on sales, there's a drop down and here this is a customer. I can create a new customer here. And here it says there are type of customers. For example, there's a customers and there's a vendors. So vendors are something those who provide, you can say here raw materials, something like that. Whenever we are producing a mass, or let's say we are manufacturing companies, so there's a where vendors comes in. This is a customer, so we can just create separate customers data as well as the vendors data. So if I just go and click on plus icon here, I will able to add it. So for example, whether the customer is a business or individual, I can add all these details and it will be added as a customer. Same way you can go and click on add new, and here same thing. Now this is a code. So this codes, you can just go and click on new codes, as well as there's always a option to import all this information or data if you were using some other sales books or CRM softwares. Now, by the way, Zoho gives you a trial for 14 days, and if you're trying to buy, there's a link given in the description. So make sure you buy it from there because it's a way to support our channel, and obviously then we will able to make such good videos, and we can expand to the longer form of videos, and you will obviously get a bigger discount, right? So please use that link. Now this is a sales order, and here you can create a sales order, whichever order you get, right? Okay, so I'm facing this error. Maybe this is due to internet connection, right? I will refresh this page and let's go to the sales order once again. It's looking pretty good now. Now this is delivery challan. So this is only available in India, but in your case, this could be receipt or something like this. And the best thing which I like about this Zoho, that they not only give this written information in short, but also they show the life cycle of delivery challans, right? So here you can see, you can read it. By the way, this is only used in India and some of the tier third countries, right, or Asian countries. This is the invoices. You can just go and click on new invoice, and Zoho has an inbuilt invoice section, so you can create an invoice, and then once create, you can save and send add to the email. And Zoho have an email, so you can send it from Zoho email as well as your own email. All the payment receipts will be shown up here, the recurring invoice, credit notes. If you have a purchase order, then just go to the purchases, vendors, right? I explained you the vendors and the customers the difference. So here it is, expense sheets, recurring expense, purchase order, bills, payment made, recurring bills, vendors, credit, and there's a lot of features which you can just go and access from here. Same way, time tracking, accounts, right? So there's a lot of option which you can change here. The reports will be shown up here. By the way, somehow, if you're not able to understand from this video, no worries. You can just take help directly from Zoho. So here, this is a take a live product tour. There will be a person and the support team is really good. So they will help you regarding each and everything. They will explain you even though if you ask them 10 times. By the way, this is not a sponsor video. I use Zoho Books. I know how well is, and I use Zoho One personally. That's the reason. So here you can create. I hope you understood what is a Zoho Books. Now, if I just try to go back here, same way Zoho Mail, it will give you a personal, sorry, not personal, a professional email, right? So here, this is a different application. I can't explain each and everything in this video, but if you want, let me know in the comment box. I will make a separate video on each specific application Zoho in deep. Although I gone really fast in this video, but yeah, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.